I have an unboxing right now, iPhone 10 case unboxing. We've done a couple of these, but this one is a little bit special for me just because I get my own discount code. So if you guys want to buy any of these cases, the discount code will be right here. It's just Jared Ramirez. You just enter that in a discount, and it's 25% off, I'm pretty sure. So if you like any of these cases right here, they are a little bit expensive, but that's just because they're really good quality. I hope that's what we're going to see right now. And it's kind of echoey in here. I'm sorry about that. Okay, whoa, they come in their own little bags, dude. That's a satisfying sound, isn't it? So as you guys can see, they have cases from the iPhone 6, the iPhone 10. Currently I have the iPhone 10, as you guys already know, and it's already in the title, so so basically guys, we're just gonna unbox these because I don't really know which one is which currently because they're all black and have no casing really, it's actually kind of cool, honestly. Just like a little, like a microfiber bag. I like that actually a lot. So we're gonna get this first one open, guys. Wow, okay. So it comes with a very, very firm card. As you guys can see that right there, Felony Case. And it pretty much just says join us on Instagram, Felony Case, at Felony Case. So if you guys want to post any cool pictures, post them on Felony Case basically. Alright guys, so this is the very first case. As you can see, it is very interesting and very different from your normal average iPhone 10 case. So this one's called Concrete. Basically because it looks like concrete. I was really interested in this case, and I've never seen anything like it before. But it actually has a really, really cool look to it. I don't really know, dude. It's just really interesting, and I honestly really like it. It actually looks like real. Definitely is not real concrete, can't be. But it definitely looks like real concrete. That's crazy. And on the back, or in the inside of it, has Felony Case, a nice soft feel inside as well, and it does have a lot of room. Basically it doesn't cover the top, it doesn't cover any of the buttons or anything like that, or the top or bottom, which is kind of not that protective, but the corners are all protected, as you can see right there. All the corners are good to go, but the only thing that I guess it doesn't really touch the bottom of it too much. So I guess if you drop it, I guess the only way you would damage your phone is if you dropped it like this, on the face like that. But then again, it does have the ridges like that, so it's gonna protect the screen when you lay it down like that. So that's really cool as well. But I actually do like it. I actually like that they didn't cover the buttons, just because it looks nice with the silver and the concrete and the black, and I don't know, it just has a really good look to it. So yeah guys, that's the first one, Concrete. I do like that one a lot. That one's pretty sick. Here's the next one right here. Oh! Yo, that's blingy. Okay. Oh, it's a two-piece case. Okay, cool. And this is styrofoam. So this actually looks a pretty durable case, honestly. So here is the bumper, or first layer of the case right here. So it just goes on like that. Pretty simple. And honestly, guys, you could just use this as a case right here. It honestly looks like pretty good protection. It is like a bumper kind of thing. So we got the freaking bling case going on right here. Okay. So yeah, this one actually does look pretty protective. As you guys can see, everything is protected. The buttons, all the buttons are protected. The top and bottom are protected as well. It does also have the cutout for the speaker grill and the charging port, so that's pretty cool. To be honest guys though, the buttons are pretty hard to press, but I think that's gonna get better as you use it. Dang dude, this is really freaking blingy. Oh my gosh. Anyways, yeah, I'm sure that it'll get worn in, and the buttons will be easier to press the longer that you have it basically. But they're honestly not too bad. They don't really make a clicking sound though. Pretty much guys, this case is just for blingy and showing off. That's insane. I'm guessing you'll get a lot of eyes on this case if you want to show it off and stuff like that. I do like it a lot, honestly. The gold plated with the diamonds, I don't know, it looks sick. I like it a lot, to be honest. Alright guys, so for the next case we got right here, pretty much exactly the same thing as this one right here, except it's matte black. So if you are not into the shiny blingy type, then this is a better alternative for you. Honestly, it does look really nice because this isn't transparent either. It's a nice black like look, which I do like also. And it honestly still can catch an eye just because it looks really interesting and really rugged on the back. So if you don't like the rugged feel, then I would not go with this case. But I don't know, I do like this case. I like it. I like all black, to be honest. I don't know. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much the same exact case. It does say felony case on the side like that, as you can see. Still screen protection, same exact thing. But yeah, this is pretty much the same exact thing, except it ain't gold and it ain't blingy. Alright guys, last and final case right here. We got 4 total right here. Let's just see what we got. Okay, a nice simple case right here. They all come with the same exact card. It's pretty cool. This one is a pretty simple case, to be honest. It's called Grid, I'm pretty sure. It's honestly just a clear case with like lines through it. I'm gonna see what this looks like on the back because I'm actually really interested. And it's actually pretty slim, to be honest. So if you don't like a thicker, bulkier case like me, I hate bulky cases, then this is a good case, honestly. So that's what it looks like on the back right there. It does have a cool look. It's very interesting. It's a grid. It looks like a piece of math paper. But anyway, guys, this is just a clear case. Pretty simple. It does have a pretty grippy feel as well on the back. And the buns, the buns on this one feel actually really, really good. And they feel really easy to press. It does also have the cutout for the speaker, just like the other two. Which I do like, so you're not gonna get any. So if you drop it like this on the bottom of it, you're not gonna get any damage, or on the top, you're not gonna get any damage, and you won't get any like scratches on the bottom as well, because this is stainless steel and it does scratch like crazy. Mine is scratched like insane, and I'm gonna do a video pretty soon on how to clear that up and how to make it look better. So just look out for that video, guys. But yeah, guys, these cases are honestly really, really good quality. They are a little bit pricey, like I said, but you guys get a discount. I'm hooking you guys up right now, guys. So I'll leave the website down below to get all these cases if you want to cop. And there are also some different cases that are really, really, really cool. I really do recommend these cases, guys. It's honestly really, really good quality cases. Like, all these are really, really good quality. They don't seem cheap to me at all. And I do like the bag, guys. That's freaking sick. It's like a really like luxury feel. I don't really know how to explain it. But anyways, guys, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. It really does help out the channel. Again, guys, here's a discount code if you want to cop any cases. I'll leave it down in the description below. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.